Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on professional mode on Facebook. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up Facebook, click on your profile icon on the top right, then click on your profile name at the top. Once you're on here, select the three dots on the right hand side in the middle. And if you look near the bottom, you should see turn on professional mode. So you just want to click on that. And you can just read through this information about getting paid for your content, see content insights and grow your audience. Then just select turn on, or you can also select learn more if you want to do that. And I'll just give you some information that you can read through. Just select next when you've read through that. And again, a little bit more information you can read through there as well. And it'll give you the option to pick who your default audience is. So you can either have public, friends, or you can have custom. So it's totally up to you what you want to do with that. Then select next. And again, some more information you can read through on there. Then just select confirm. And it'll give you some information about monetization tools as well. And some more tools that you can use in professional mode as well. Then just keep selecting next once you've read through all of that. Then you can skip this information as well. If you want to add a profile frame, then all you have to do is select go to professional dashboard. And that will turn on professional mode on Facebook. Thanks for watching.